Quick question for you. When you sit down and relax for a second, does your belly push out through your clothes on its own? Yes or no? If yes, this video is for you. Today we are talking about belly fat, the waist area, and one simple exercise that actually works without jumping, without crunches, and without forcing your body. This ain't about pushing harder or sweating more. This is about using the body correctly. My name is Natasha and I help people reduce belly fat and reshape their waist using simple, realistic methods that actually fit into daily life. The movement I'm going to show you today comes from yoga. Yoga is not about burning or forcing fat. It is about activating deep muscles with control, breath, and alignment. That is why yoga-based movements often work where aggressive workouts fail, especially for stubborn belly fat around the waist. Today we are doing just one exercise. No counting, no reps, and no complicated routine. That's right, you heard that correctly, friends. Just one magical minute can change your life. We are working with time because time under gentle control is what wakes up the deep muscles that hold the belly in naturally. Before we move ahead, quickly tell me in the comment section below, when you sit on a chair, couch, or wherever, do you always use a cushion to hide your belly fat? And if that is the case, this very exercise is definitely going to come in handy. Also write in the comment section your favorite color when you're about to exercise. My favorite color is evident. Some people prefer black or all white. What is your favorite color? Just write in the comment section yes, that you do use a pillow to hide your belly fat and your favorite color. Come on friends, I really want to know, because once when I was overweight, these are the little habits that I changed and that helped me regain my confidence and get back into shape. Now I no longer need a cushion to cover my belly area. Now let's begin the exercise without any further delay. For that you have to sit comfortably on the bed and you have to place your feet slightly hip width wider like this, but not too wide. And now we have to bend forward, touch our toes like this. But before we do this position, you have to keep your spine straight and your core muscles should be tucked in tight. Let's do it together. So let's begin this exercise by bending forward without stopping. Keep going. Well done. Well done. Very good. I'm so happy for you that you managed to do that level which I taught you. But if you think you need slightly more tougher level, then let me tell you the intermediate level of this very exercise. Why should you miss out on the best when you have it? So I'm going to show you the intermediate level. If you feel comfortable, please feel free to do it along with me. All you have to do is stretch your legs slightly wider than earlier, and instead of touching our toes like this, we are going to make a circle like this. First clockwise, we are going to do it, and then we will go anti-clockwise. And when we are coming forward, we will exhale. When we are coming backwards for the circle, we are going to inhale. I will show it to you and let's do it together. We are going to come forward and make a big circle, then go all the way back, inhaling, then exhaling, coming forward. Inhale, exhale, breathe normally. Just make as big a circle as you can. This is called the Chakki Chalasana in yoga. Stay with me. You're doing so well. Well done! Now since we've done the clockwise, we should balance it out by doing the anti-clockwise direction too. So let's do that also together. Stay with me and keep doing this exercise. Inhale when you come up and exhale when you go down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Well done! So proud of you! Now that you have learned the simple poses of yoga which can help you get rid of your belly fat, now it's time to learn slightly more about the daily routine which you have to follow. If you're looking to join a paid weight loss program which will be customized according to your needs, your preferences, your daily routine, then I bring on board a doctor, a dietitian and a health counselor, these three people just to look after you during your transformation journey with me. To click on the link given below, you just have to go to the description and you can actually connect with me to know more about the program. Besides this, your eating habits will make a lot of difference if you're looking for inch loss and weight loss both. For that, you have to make sure to have fresh meals in a day, you have to plan your days ahead, and you also have to make sure that your water intake is steady throughout the day. And you are not dehydrated. If you want a professional looking after you, taking care of the entire process for you, then you know where to connect. Just click on the link given below and you can get in touch with me. Let me know for next week what type of a video are you looking to see, which is your problem area, your target area, be it your arm fat, belly fat, your thigh fat, hip fat or your chest fat. I will be happy to make a video on the one topic which receives the maximum number of votes. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then don't forget to be generous enough to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification.